Hey everyone, today we're diving into the 2025 Porsche 911 GTS Hybrid, a groundbreaking addition to Porsche's lineup. This model boasts an impressive 532 horsepower, thanks to its hybrid flat-six engine and electric turbo. It's fast, powerful, and for the first time, hybrid assisted. One major change is the absence of a manual transmission option across the 2025 911 lineup. That's right, no new 911 will come with a stick shift this year. Manual fans will have to wait for the Carrera S in 2026. The GTS has always been a step up from the Carrera S, but this year it's more distinct than ever. It features a unique 3.6-liter flat-six engine, combined with a 54 horsepower electric motor, delivering a total system output of 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. This setup propels the GTS from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The facelifted 911 range also introduces several firsts for Porsche, including a fully digital dashboard and a starter button instead of the traditional key. The new models will be standard two-seaters, with an optional 2+2 configuration available for those who prefer extra seating. The base Carrera also gets a power boost to 388 horsepower, but remains PDK only. The Carrera S will reintroduce the manual transmission when it returns in 2026. Pricing for the new 911 lineup starts at $120,100 for the Carrera and goes up to $164,900 for the GTS. Deliveries for the Carrera start this fall, while the GTS will hit dealerships later in the year. So, what do you think? Is Porsche's Hybrid 911 a game changer, or are you missing the manual transmission? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest car releases.